Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the ballistic impact of a steel projectile with damage behavior and the steel propylene hybrid fiber reinforced concrete panel reinforced with CFRP layer at the bottom and also steel reinforcement at the embedded region inside that. So let me check, for instance, tension damage. See here, this is the bullet penetration, and let me use field to have a better view. If I click on animate, see, this is the damage which is happened in the HFRC panel or hybrid reinforced fiber concrete here, the penetration. Under the penetration, this panel is fully filled because the maximum damage happened. And if we use a strain damage as a sub option here in the model, you will have element removal here, and this element would be removed from the model after the impact. This is the penetration and the deformation of the bullet. See, it is a strong panel and it has a good resistance, but totally it is failed under 500 per meter second velocity. So let me replace just the steel propylene hybrid concrete panel. This is a full view, this is the half view, compressive damage, um, plastic strain. See, it is too much, it means it is fully failed. A stress, a stiffness degradation, or we can request anything else also. Now let me replace it with a stress and then replace the bullet, for instance. Check the bullet, see the bullet. The deformation is too much for this also. We can request Johnson Cook damage, it is happened 80%, plastic strain, again the stress. Now let me replace the CFRP and reinforcement. See here, the CFRP with 16 or 32 layer is filled completely, and also the steel reinforcement. See the formation. Let me check the tension damage for matrix. You can see it here. Compression damage for matrix, tension damage for the fiber, and compression damage for the fiber. Let me remove this to have just this, and let me now add the bullet. Let me click on animate to check the damage propagation in the CFRP under this impact, high velocity impact. Okay, and the other damage criterion from the abacus for H layer, we can request it for the H layer. So uh, this is the model of the high velocity or ballistic impact onto the steel propylene hybrid fiber reinforced concrete panel reinforced with CFRP and steel reinforcement here. If you interested in this tutorial, such this tutorial, you can use our model here. So if you want to provide it, come to our website here, abacusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on title or blue sign, then you will have the introduction, the background, and then the definition of the geometry and assemblies. Uh, the ballistic impact definition here, the failure mode, the fiber, the I don't know everything, the application, and then the result as figures you can see. You can provide the CAINP English video file and reference for the material just for 26 euros. We use all cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, or PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. Before payment, contact us at this email to tell you more about the payment process, the tutorial content, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.